Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a tutorial for the classical Pilates mat exercise, Corkscrew. Let's get started. I'm going to show you both versions, hips down and inverted with the hips lifted. Let's start with the beginner version. So you're on your back, bend your knees to your chest, stretch your legs up to the ceiling. My heels are together, toes apart in that Pilates V so I can wrap the outer thighs. The arms firmly press down into the mat, and I shift my legs over to the right, and then I circle them down, around, and up, back to center. Circle them to the left, down, around, and up. So think of your single leg circles, but just with two legs, right? So my shoulders are heavy. I'm trying to keep my upper body pretty stable, and then my hips are circling around a little bit. Pay attention to the hips shifting and the waist shortening and twisting to make your circle. So we don't want that to happen. Both sides of my waist stay equally long. I tip the legs one direction. Maybe if you're advanced, you go a little bit lower to the floor. But the waist, the sides of your waist, never shorten. And then you can rest there. Now, if you want to level this up and you're ready for inversions and you don't have any neck issues, let's try the inverted corkscrew. So, same thing, my legs start up to the ceiling, I push into the arms, but this time I roll back. My legs go to a high diagonal, heels are together, toes apart. Same thing as before, I tip the legs over to the right. I roll down the right side of my back, let the legs circle down and around, roll up the left side of the back, center the legs or the hips at the top, and then tip over to the left. Circle down, around, and up. Roll up the right side of the back. And then you keep alternating your circles. It's hard to talk and do. One more time. And the whole time, I'm keeping my arms firmly pressed into the mat. Once I'm done, I roll down through the center of the back, and then hug your knees to your chest, unless you're moving on to the next exercise. So that's the corkscrew. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.